Hey, what's going on, everybody? So we have a super special training today. So how would you like to turn your TikToks into cold hard cash? And as a complete beginner, because we have a very special guest with us, and she started her business in August 2021. And since then, she's done 6 figures in sales with her affiliate marketing business. So guys, I want to introduce Camila Markson. What's going on, Camila?
Hi, Jonathan. Thank you so much for having me here. So a little bit about my story. I came to Brazil and I worked as a nanny here, and it was struggling find something, find another job. And that's how I started searching for ways to make money online, and affiliate marketing so far I think it's the simplest way to start. Simplest way, because you don't need to create a product, you don't need to handle orders, fulfillment, anything. Like, you just promote, you just be on the market side of the business, which for me, I love marketing. So one thing that I like saying, it's success is traceable. It's something I like to see, and that's how I open my eyes. And to understand a little bit about the TikTok algorithm, because I started in August on affiliate marketing, and I started with TikTok. And to start with TikTok, it's important for you to understand how the platform works, So the algorithm, he prioritizes watching time. When it's the content, the more people watch your video, the more TikTok will push your content. He also prioritizes shares. So content that makes people share your content, TikTok will push also. Saves, comments, and then likes. That's how the TikTok algorithm works, and most of the social media. So to start, when I started on TikTok, first you need to find inspiration, right? Need to find people that has success, and you need to find people that it's where you wanna be, because you can remodel them, you can inspire through them. So find people on your accounts, on your niche, and you need to interact with them, start liking, sharing, saving the content, things like that, because the more you do it, TikTok will show you more content about these things that you are interacting with. And save every video that you find. Every video that you find that, oh, this is a good video, I can potentially do this. Save all of your videos, everything.
So real quick question, when you say save your video, do you actually download them, or do you just bookmark the video on TikTok?
I bookmark on TikTok.
Okay, so you can go back and okay, I want to recreate this video because I'm inspired by it, right?
Yeah, I bookmark every video that I find. So then, after I find inspiration, finding people that it's where you wanna be, start observe. I think that's the most powerful. It's studying, it's observing, why some video went viral. What's the hook they used? What's the hashtag they used? Why that content went viral? This is very important, because I think you can have a lot of insights when you start, actually, when you sit and observe, try to study some content, studies the success, and then you find, you observe, remake the videos, remake the content that you saw, create similar videos that use similar captions, use similar hashtags or similar angles. You don't need to copy exactly, but create using your own personally and your own story, because one thing that I see is my story, my way. I will have people that will relate it to me, to my story. You're gonna find people that's gonna relate it to your story. When you're creating the content on TikTok, it's very important you have in mind that you have 3 seconds to grab the attention of people who's watching. It's 3 seconds. It's important you think about the hook that you're gonna use, which is the first sentence that is gonna grab the attention of the people, So if you use the word you in your hook, 3 things you didn't know about making money online, this it helps people feel that the video was created for them, So you can use the word you. on it. And the title is the when you make the video and then like has the kind of like caption you can use, like the bubble that appears of the start of the video. So like that one, it's also like I like to use that, and you can like just use the same way, that the same hook as a title. I think this helps a lot when you're going to start making your content. So another thing is like that I do, it's like test. The more you test, the better it will be. Like don't be afraid to test new things. Don't be afraid that, because like as I put here, like every piece of content that you post on TikTok, it's a potential to be seen for like millions of people, So the more content you throw on TikTok, on the algorithm, the higher chance you have to like going viral. So when you like prioritize, like you have a good light, I think this is like it helps your content. Like if you have a good light, be consistent. Like some people, I post one video today, it didn't like work out, and then like 3 days after they post other videos. Like it doesn't work like that. If you want to use TikTok to grow your business, you need to be consistent and post 3 to 5 times a day. This is very important. Also, I think it's important if you have like a backup account, because I try to observe a lot, and like what I noticed on TikTok, some accounts just don't have the same reach as the other accounts. It just reach different, And like once you find what you work, like you post every day and you find one video that works, repeat that. Use the same hashtags, use the same concept of a video, just like repeat what worked for you, just remake it, repeat it. Things to consider when you have on TikTok and like you're trying to grow your business on TikTok. This is something that I don't do yet, but I know if I did, I would grow even more, because TikTok loves this. And like if you can start doing live on TikTok, because it's gonna help you build your following, it will help you interact directly with your audience, you're gonna build a community around your profile, will bring more views to your profile, and when you do a live, it shows up on For You page, so it's more potential to grow your account. Also, something it helps you like create your content and like pushing it, making the duet and the stitch. It's like when you make that video that's like you just share your screen with the other person, right? This helps, because like when you reply and react with a video that's always like that was being posted already, So it's a great feature. TikTok likes when you use the features of the platform of the app, from the app. So people, when it shows on the For You page, they recognize the person who is on the video. So it helps you, like they keep watching your content, your video. And the switch also, which is like the first clip shows from another person, and then you come up and say and makes your video. Never stop learning, and as I said, testing, like it's very important. That's it. That's most what I do with my content, with my business, and that's it.
Here's a good question from Jason. Do you reuse the videos from your main channel for your other channels? So I think you mentioned that you have multiple channels. The question is, are you using the same video from your main one in all your other 3, or do you create new content?
Yeah, like this is like, that's also, so I tested a lot of this using the same video, but I noticed somehow TikTok knows that video it's from another account.
Yeah.
So when I use like some video to another account, it doesn't perform well. Somehow TikTok knows, I think. So I try to make a different account, or I try to test using the video but putting a different sound. When you put like the sound, and you can just like mute the sound that you included.
Here's one from Nadia. She says, Jonathan, Camila, please clarify a bit more on how many accounts is allowed on TikTok. So I only have 2. You have 4, so you'd probably be better answering this question.
Yeah, it doesn't like I haven't seen anything like saying, oh, you just can have this amount of accounts. It's like you can have as much as you want, but to include on the account, like to save the informations there, I think it's only 6 or something like that. I'm not sure.
How many duets do you post every day? There's one right there.
I don't post every day, do it. When I find a good video that's like it's viral or something like that, and then I see an opportunity, then I do the duet, but it's not something that I do every day.
Now, Camila, where can we find you real quick before we, while we got people on here? What's your main TikTok, or where do you want people to follow you?
My main TikTok is the Brazilian Boss. That's my main TikTok. That's the one that I have more followers. And my Instagram is Wealth Mensch.
So when you guys do a duet, are you choosing people from a similar niche or just random dance videos or singing? Great question.
What I do is like it sounds sort of related to my niche. I'm on affiliate marketing and I promote like educational programs, right? So I do like something that's similar to my niche, like some motivational speaker or some side hustle or some other video that went viral. But in my opinion, it needs to be some sort of related to your niche.
Well, Camila, I don't think there's any other questions. Thank you very much for coming on and getting on this training for the 10-day TikTok challenge. Is there any other parting words that you have? If not, we'll go ahead and get off.
Thank you so much, Jonathan, for having me here. For me, it's an honor. As I said, like you were like one role model for me, when I started, like an inspiration. So it's an honor for me to be here.
Thank you for coming on, and it's exciting to see, especially Freedom Breakthrough students that are just crushing it, right? And I love being able to help my community grow because, that's the goal with this whole business. I want to help every single one of you guys crush it. And that's why I do these challenges. That's why I bring in these free training for you guys, because I want to help you guys grow. So thank you so much, Camila. Thank you guys for being on live. And thank you guys. And we'll see you guys on the next video and the next training. Keep crushing it with the challenge, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless.